So what we're going to do today, let's get this saw out of here. I'm doing this the cheapest way possible because I know not everyone has a chop saw. This is my dagger, pretty customized. Did a lot of stippling, different mag release, different trigger, micro comp, mirror polish on the barrel, Romeo 0 up here, and you know, this was like one of the first daggers to ever get stippled. This is way back in the day when they only had black. They didn't have any slides with cuts or anything, so had to make do with what you had. If anyone's wondering why they called it a dagger, it's cut right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Old Bowie knife cut. Which I do like this slide. I have SW3s and SW6 slide. Very nice. This is just OG. What we're going to do today is going to try to cut not a yay much off so that we can run a Glock 26 mag. And you can see 10 round mag versus a 15 here. That's gonna make a little bit of difference in the size of the gun and the package. Make it a little bit easier to conceal. Less chance of you printing on the grip. I'm just gonna do a size comparison. Mags here for real quick, in case anyone's curious. This is a Glock 26, Glock 19, Glock 17. This is an extended mag for really anything. I mean, any Glock, double stack Glocks rather, to be able to take these. Trying to go from this to this. And this is a Glock mag. It's not some cheap ass polymer Magpul mag. So what I'm going to do, real quick, I'm going to set these things right there. Try to get them lined up perfectly. Right. I'm going to take a little tape measure. Try to measure the difference here. Kind of hard to do. There we go. Oh, it's 3/4 of an inch. I guess need to mark out 3/4 of an inch here. We want to keep that same, so this same cut right here, because when you put this mag in, you can see, lines up perfect. All right. One of the best things about doing this is I'll get rid of these notches, so you won't immediately be able to tell it's a dagger anymore, which doesn't bother me. I love daggers, love palmetto. If I wanted my Glock, I'd just go grab my Glock. I probably wouldn't do this with a Glock, though. I will say, it's one thing about a dagger, it gives you the confidence just to do some stupid shit sometimes that people with their Glocks probably will never do. They think about doing it. I have seen a few Glocks converted from 19s to 26s, or from 17s to 26s even too, which was a crazy thing. I think there's actually a Glock 40 MOS that's been chopped down at this point. I'll move you guys over slightly. You see what I'm doing? So this box right here is like $5, Lowe's or Home Depot. They do have a saw here with a new blade in it. Take this thing, it's got a 90-degree cut, ready to go. I cut this part out so that I can actually set my pistol in there. I probably should have measured and made it so I could bada bing, bada boom, line this up every time, but it's not really important to me right now. What I want to do, I think I need to put this back in there, this in there. I'm going to set the saw in 90 degrees. That's looking pretty good. What I'm trying to do is make sure this line here is with this line here and 3/4 of an inch away. Basically the whole operation right there. So I'm going to take this and bada bing, bada boom. See what we got. That's about 7/8 away. Don't want that much. I'm going to kind of press this back in there. That's 3/4 away. 3/4 away. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to probably get to cutting here. Now, the wood, to make it a little bit harder, cut back there. Just want to go slowly. Take your time. Ain't no speed race. All right, just like that, we have chopped my pistol. I'm gonna try to show you guys here. Got her chopped down, no problem. That's a cross section of the dagger grip. If anyone's ever wondered what it looks like, deburr these edges a bit. The knife. Boys, look at this. I'll put this underneath so you can kind of see it. Look at this. Oh, she's in there. I nailed it, boys. Well, I could have left this down. I don't really care. I like that look. Damn. When in doubt, pinky out, baby. Whew. Let's turn it back this way so you guys can see it. It looks so cool. I have a Glock 26L. Put her in the holster here. This is a custom holster I made, by the way, guys. Thinking about selling these because if you look, I guarantee I have the nicest trigger fit out there. Absolutely gorgeous. Optics cut. Thumb break. Look how cute she is now. Before, I guess I can show you the before because it doesn't change anything. You can still use Glock 19 mag or Glock 17 mag if you want. Hell, you can even throw a 33 rounder in there if you really want to. It's kind of dumb, but it moves around a little bit because it doesn't have as much support. But I think up to the 17, you're probably fine. I'm happy with the results for minimal amount of effort and a $5 box, $5 saw. Get some $30 magazine, mind you. These things are not any cheaper even. Perfect co-ed. Bing, bada boom. It's catching a reflection on the camera. That's not really how it looks in real life, but hey, I'm happy with how this turned out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Maybe hit that subscribe bell. Leave me a comment down below what you'd like to see next. I'll buy another dagger frame and chop it, mod it. You want to see some stippling? I got another frame I'm about to stipple here the next week or so, whenever I get some time. Got some 1911s. I'm about to do some mirror polishing and some custom work on. So if you like this content, just hit that like, ring that bell. Later, motherfuckers. I'll see y'all in hell.